trek to Sindola Fort. Chalo, chalo, chalo. So we have to go over there on top, and we started our journey from there down. The climb is not that high, but it looks like it's a vertical climb. So let's see how it goes. That is the plateau where we camped last night. There's a small pond in center. हाँ, हमें ही पता नहीं हम क्यों करते, ऐसे ऐसे रास्तों पे जाते। यही चीज़ हमारे मन को एक सुहाना आनंद देती है। The path is quite stiff over here. You have to walk at the corners like this, and because of monsoon there's so much of a grass that you will not be able to figure out where the path is. Since we have a villager with us, so he is guiding us the route. Last year we came over here in the month of October only, October 2020. We went halfway over there in the center, and from there we couldn't found the route, and we had to turn back. So that's why this year we made a mind that whatsoever will happen, we'll go on the top of this mountain. And this time we have hired a proper experienced villager who knows this mountain clearly. His name is Vijay Bohir. I will share his number, so anyone who is coming to Sindola Fort can contact him. He will be a good guide for you. Oh gosh. This mountain is quite open. There's not much of trees, so like you can climb up from anywhere. It's the only thing you have to take care for the slopes and the risky patch. You can see how the entire team is climbing up. 2 people have already reached over there on top. So we'll go on this plateau, and from here we'll go this side, and then we'll go over there on top. So we came from here directly straight over here. ऐड कर देंगे बाद। This side is Joga Dam, that side is Harishchandragarh, and this mountain, the mountain what you see big behind that is the Hatsar Fort. This is the Nilgiri, and this is Sindola. आता आहे येताना लागेल
क्या क्या
पाणी पाणी. और ये महिंद्रा की आप परिस्थिति देख सकते हो कि हम किस तरह से यहाँ जा रहे हैं. एंड एकदम ही नीचे डायरेक्ट स्लोप है. सो इफ़ यू slip your leg even for an inch, then you will have a nice ride of Essel World. हम ये क्यों करते हैं? So right now we are truly walking in the clouds and we are heading towards the sky. So we started our journey backside from there. We came on top, we came on a mid plateau, then we came this side, and now we are coming from here and we are going between this, in this col between these two mountains. So Sindula is on this side. Nice trek. The distance is not that long, but yeah, the climb is pretty much stiff and it's very slippery also for monsoon. It is not advisable for anyone to directly come over here. When you are coming, come with one rope at least for a safety, and do hire a local villager with you who knows this mountain very well, so that you don't get lost on the path, because there's lots and lots of chances over here to get lost on the path. So here our Jawan Chokra Nikhil coming up. So Nikhil,
hi. रशी आणले ना दादा म्हणून वेट कोण झेलेगा.
this is the entry of Sindola Fort, and you can see a statue of, I guess, some deity carved over here on the wall. There's a small bell also, and Mr. Vijay Bohir, our guide, who has brought us up over here. ये किसका स्टैचू है?
ये शिवकालीन गणपति को है बोलते हैं.
Here we can see the flag of Sindala Fort over here on top.
वीडियो भी.
Half mission achieved. Half mission achieved of climbing up Sindola. Now the other half is pending of getting down. Water tank.
Wow. आपको ट्विन फोर्ट भी अभी ज़्यादा क्लियर दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे कलसुबाई वर्षो भी दिख नहीं जाएगा.
कलसुबाई वो साइड पीछे की तरफ. हरिश्चंद्रगड दिसायला पाहिजे होता. So many times we had came over here near Joga Dam, and every time we used to see this mountain from where I am taking the video, and I used to always think that we should plan to go over here, and finally today on top of Sindola. This side is the Malsej Ghat. From here Malsej Ghat starts. That side is Harishchandragarh Wildlife Reserve. This side is Bhimashankar Wildlife Reserve, and we are in mid of it. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
It's descending time now, 11:30 in the morning. Just started descending. See you soon at the base village.
While coming, we came from there. We took a shortcut, and while going, now we are going from a different route. It's a little bit of simpler route, but for that we have to walk a little bit long. So we thought, let's explore this route also.
शॉर्टकट तर पडला असता, पण असं वाटतंय की तो थोडा टफ रूट असेल, म्हणून आपण इथून जाऊया आणि खाली जाऊन आपण तिथून हे बघूया की तिथून डायरेक्ट त्या पायवाटाला आपण जाऊ शकतो की नाही, की जेणेकरून हा आपण जो लॉंगर रूट आहे तो बऱ्यापैकी आपण अवॉइड करू शकतो. तर आता आपण खाली जाऊया आणि बघूया इथून कुठला शॉर्टकट या पायवाटापर्यंत येतो की नाही. ठीक आहे गाईस,
चला.
ऑलराइट, चला.
Back to our one tree point where we started our journey for Sindola. We went over there. So today morning we went from here and we took a shortcut and we reached over here on that plateau midway, and then from there we went on the other side, and from the mid we went on top. Today while coming we came over here, we walked this entire plateau, we came down over here. From there again we came down, and then we took a shortcut to come down over here to save our time, and finally we are at our camping site. It's a beautiful place. This plateau is amazing, and yes, if you are coming in monsoon over here, then only you can really enjoy the beauty of this place, because in summer and I guess during winter also there won't be that much of greenery over here, and it will be too hot since this entire place is completely open. So finally now we are at the base. We can see the village over here, we can see the houses, and there was one question which we were asking throughout our trek, that why we are doing this, हम ये क्यों करते हैं. तो चलो अब हमारे बाकी सारे साथियों को भी पूछते हैं उनका जवाब क्या है, हम ये क्यों करते हैं. सो निखिल, हम ये सब क्यों करते हैं?
हम ये सब क्यों करते हैं? आई डोंट नो.
विजय?
पता नहीं.
महेंद्र?
बहुत बार सोचा और फाइनली ये पता चला कि पता नहीं.
मनीष?
सलमान, तुम्हें पता है?
हम ये सब क्यों करते हैं, इसका जवाब ढूंढेंगे हम अगले ट्रैक पे. बाय.